Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable, how to turn on or off the grid lines on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's do it, and now let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got the grid option, so let's tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. Obviously to turn it off, just tap on it again. This is how it works. So now we can go back to the camera, and I hope that you can see it, that the grid lines has been applied successfully. So this is the best option to choose if you'd like to take some harmonious photos or apply the rule of thirds. Be aware that those lines are visible only on the camera, so after taking a photo and checking it you won't see them. So let me tap on the shutter button and let's check the preview. As you can see here, we cannot see the grid lines, so as I said, they are visible only on the camera. Of course you can turn them off the same way we just turned them on, so go back to the settings and tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see they immediately disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the grid lines in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.